Everyone and welcome to Placement Preparation Course by Lockdown Learner, and our today's topic is difference between product based companies and service based companies. Okay guys, so let us start with the topic. So earlier we have done with the 4 videos, so let us see what was the topic. The first we have done with the how to check company is fit for you or not, and then how to write a resume, and then dynamic programming, and then mostly asked question in interview. And now we are going to do is difference between product based companies and service based companies. So you can find these video under the playlist placement preparation course and that in that I button also. Okay, so let us start with our topic. So today we are going to do is these topics. Okay, so our first topic is about PVC and SVC. PVC stand for product based company and SVC stand for service based company, and these are the difference. ये हम सारे differences देखेंगे इन companies के बीच में. Like first we will going to see about interview, and then work environment, then learning, then salary, then growth, then timing, then job security. Okay, so पहले टॉपिक के साथ हम अपने स्टार्ट करते हैं जिसमें हम PVC और SVC के बारे में देखेंगे. So let us start with the first topic. Okay, so first is a product based company. So on right hand side you can see some product based company well known like Amazon, Flipkart, Visa, and then we are having a Facebook. Okay, and then Google also. Okay, and Google parent company Alphabet. So let us we will seeing this product based company by point. So first is our company decide that what they need and on what language and what is the best for the business. It's like company decide करती है कि हमें कौन से language पे work करना है. Like if we have to work on Java, so company will work on Java. Like Amazon mostly works on Java. So वो अपनी business के according देखते हैं और needs के according देखते हैं. Okay, and then there is deadlines. Deadlines are decided by the internal management. Company के लोग ही deadlines decide करते हैं, कोई और नहीं करता है. Unlike service based companies, in service based companies जिनके लिए वो सर्विस कर रहे हैं, they are providing the service, they will decide the deadlines. Okay, then we are having you can get a little time to learn new things. It is because there is lots of work in product based companies, so you will get a little time to learn new things. Okay, so your management might not appreciate your performance or work because management is already like busy in their work because there's too much work, so they will not like appreciate like a school teacher do. Like you have scored like 10 or 9 out of 10, so they will appreciate like yeah, you are intelligent. That's not happen at here. Okay, so then we are having a point like you will get to know more about the company business because you have to work on that only. And then we are having like product making is more appreciated than service providing. It's obvious कि अगर आपने कोई एक फॉर्म बनाया है एंड वो फॉर्म कोई लोग यूज कर रहे हैं कंपनी में, तो आपको अच्छा लगेगा कि like this is my form and some other person is like using. So then we are having it's like concentrate on that one thing you have been provided. Okay, so concentration is only like on a single thing, not in many technologies like you have to work on this and this and this. And then we are having more innovation on the same line of the products. Okay, so let us start with a service based company. So let us first see what are which are service based companies. So you have these are famous some famous service based companies. Like first is Infosys, Accenture, Cognizant, Capgemini, Wipro, and we are having TCS also. You all have heard of these names. So our first thing is like project can be anything and on anything. Like Amazon के लिए हमने discuss किया था we will be working on Java. So it's not depend like you have to work on Java only. Project can be anything. जिसके लिए सर्विस प्रोवाइड करा रहे हैं वो कुछ भी प्रोजेक्ट दे दे, कुछ भी काम दे दे, तो they have to do. Okay, it's like that you hire us. It's like that you hire someone for doing your household work, all kind of household work. So you will expect that he will also wash the dish, he will also do this, that. This is not a fixed work because you have hired for the household work. So our second point is deadlines are mostly defined by the clients. In that in product based company internal management is going to decide the deadlines, but here the clients will decide the deadlines. So pressure is more because internal management क्या कर सकती है उन deadlines को increase कर सकती है, but clients have a deadline, so they have a deadline. So now we are having less innovation and flexibility because you have to work on like different kinds of technology, so there's no innovation. Like more strictness and multitasking, as I've told you, strictness because client will decide the deadline, and multitasking is kind of a thing that you have to do testing also, development also, and this. And then we are having client will be dissatisfied mostly. If client is dissatisfied, then it's a bad day for you. Then we are having in small cases, in small scale, companies might fire you. It's about like if a company is a small company which is providing services to the other company, and that company is not having any project, so it's 99% chances like that company will fire you because it is not having the project for you. Okay, so let us discuss about, like, we are having a point interview, so we are going to discuss on interview. So for product based companies, interviews are difficult and there are many rounds, as you have heard for Amazon and all. Like we are having a first round technical, then second, then third, then fourth, and then fifth. Okay, they are having totally 5 rounds. I'm talking about Amazon. It's not same for all companies. Okay, now service based company, easy interviews and few rounds. It's about some companies hire only in one round, in which same round is the HR round, and that same round is your technical round. Okay, so I will give a thumbs up for product based company, and in this case I will give a thumb down to a service based company, because a few rounds and easy interview, it's like not hiring a good students or like good employees. So we are having like work environment, so there is a small teams, less politics, people are friendly, because in product based company there are many perks. Because of that, people are like less tense and they give a time for work life balance also. But this is not in a service based company. They have a large teams, support project, and it's like, and same also, like it's like less politics, sometimes it's more politics because of that service providing. So learning, so in this learning is high because you know that you have to learn only one thing, that you have to suppose learn on Java, so you have to work on Java. In this, learning is low because you don't know on which technology you will get next day or on a next project. So that's why there is learning is low, because today you are doing Java, then you C, then C++, that become a learning is low. Because if you're working on one thing for a year or a 2 years, so you will become an expert on that thing. But if you're working for two months on different technologies, so you will not be going to become expert. So that's why learning is slow. So they are having an optimized solution, and in this we are having a support projects. As you know, they are providing services, so there is particular stream, like you will be hired for, like, suppose software development, software engineer, testing. Okay, in this there is no choice of stream given on random basis. Like they can give you work on this C++, work on this C, work on Java. They can give any random basis, but they have a fixed stream, particular stream they will give you, so that you can be more efficient in that. Okay, so now let's discuss about the salary. In the product based company, the salary is high, salary hikes is also good, and there is a good perks. But in service based company, low salary hike, and average perks. Okay, so then we are having growth. So it's like, so we are having like growth in case of like same thing, like salary we have discussed the growth, as we have discussed in the salary. So same thing is in the growth also. As the salary is low, so there will be like, in this obvious you can see like growth is high, and here you can see growth is low. Okay, so now timings. In product based company, flexible time, not fixed. You can come at any time. You can come at 10 a.m. and you can go at like 1 p.m. or a 2 p.m. or a 3 p.m. or a 7 p.m. It's not like fixed time. But for service based company, it fixed minimum 9 hours per day. You have to there. Okay, you have to be there. Now job security is high in product based company and low is service based company. ये इसलिए लो है क्योंकि हमने डिस्कस किया था, अगर प्रोजेक्ट नहीं आया उस कंपनी से, या वो प्रोजेक्ट हमें दोबारा नहीं मिलता है, तो देन दे विल ऑब्वियस फायर यू. बट इन सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी, इनका अपना प्रोडक्ट होता है, तो प्रोडक्ट वर्क करता है. अगर वो प्रोडक्ट पे बंद हो गया है, देन ओनली दे विल फायर यू, अदरवाइज दे विल नॉट फायर यू. ओके गाइस, so thank you everyone, and do subscribe to Lockdown Learner.